In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtly brighten eyes in Photoshop with the Dodge tool. If you've ever looked at a portrait and wished the eyes had a little more sparkle without looking fake, this method is for you. We'll keep everything quick and controlled so the result feels natural. First, zoom in on the eyes so you can work precisely. Use the zoom tool or the keyboard shortcut to get close enough that the iris fills a good portion of your screen. Don't worry about the rest of the image for now. You'll zoom back out at the end to judge the overall balance. If you need to move around the image, press and hold the spacebar to pan. Next, select the Dodge tool. You can find it in the toolbar or press the O key on your keyboard. The Dodge tool is essentially a targeted brightening brush. It lightens the areas you paint, which makes it perfect for adding life to the iris. Before you start brushing, set the exposure to something low, around 10 to 20%. Keeping the exposure low is the secret to a natural look because it lets you build up brightness gradually with multiple light passes rather than in one harsh stroke. While you're there, choose a soft brush so the edges blend smoothly and keep the range set to midtones, which generally works best for eyes. Now gently brush over the iris, the colored part of the eye, avoiding the pupil and the white of the eye. Think of this like polishing, not painting. Use small circular strokes that follow the natural pattern of the iris. Make a few light passes, take a breath, and then make a few more if you need them. If the effect starts to push too bright, undo the last pass and dial the exposure down a bit. Adjust your brush size as you go so you stay within the iris. The bracket keys on your keyboard make this quick. Try not to touch the eyelashes or eyelids. Keeping your strokes confined to the iris preserves realism. When you're done, zoom back out to normal viewing size and evaluate. You should see clearer, brighter eyes that still look true to life, not overly edited. If anything stands out, zoom back in and refine with a couple of gentle passes. That's it. Simple, subtle,